An important aspect, while processing payroll for payment of wages, is the inclusion of loss of pay days that the employees may have taken. On greytHR, all the different payroll inputs are collected in a central location, making it easy for you to access each. Also, greytHR's leave and attendance management modules are seamlessly integrated with its payroll module. So, the information regarding the employee LOP details is already available on the tool and must not be entered individually. You will also have the option to enter these details manually on greytHR. Now, let's see how to update your employee LOP details manually on greytHR for payroll processing. The Employee LOP Days tab, under the Payroll Input section, will help you complete the task. Click here, on Add LOP Days, search the employee, using the employee name or number, enter the LOP days, and mention the remarks, if applicable. Then save the changes. The LOP details, updated on this page will be considered for the current month's payroll processing. Also, you need not refrain from doing anything, in case an employee has joined this month. The application calculates the number of days to be paid automatically, based on the date of joining and payroll cutoff date. You can also use the Excel importer feature to update the LOP days for employees in bulk on greytHR. Navigate to the search box, select Import Data from Excel, and start the process. Select the importer type as Employee LOP, and click on the Download a Sample File link to download a sample Excel file into your system. Open the downloaded file. Before you fill details here, please ensure you read the note mentioned here, also the comment mentioned in the cell, to avoid any error while completing the upload. The columns in red are mandatory, so fill this in. Remove the sample data, and update the spreadsheet. Enter their employee ID, and ensure the employee IDs are always in the text format in Excel. To convert the numbers into the text format, select the column, click on Data, Text to Columns. Click Next, select Text, then Finish. Now, update the LOP days, and enter the remarks if applicable. Else, you can remove this column. Ensure you save this spreadsheet. So let's go back to the Excel importer page, and click on the Upload file, to map the file. The file has now been successfully updated. Click on Next. If your Excel file column titles differ from the suggested titles, you must manually map your columns to the database fields. If you did use the suggested format, the columns are automatically mapped to the related field. Click on Next. Now the Excel importer validation will happen. Click Next to complete the wizard. You have now successfully uploaded the LOP days in bulk for your employees. Find the uploaded employee LOP detail under the Payroll Input section on the Employee LOP Days page. Now let's find out how the LOP reversal feature works on greytHR. Often, the attendance record may show negative data due to absenteeism or travel. Or, in some cases, employee neglect, leading to loss of pay for those days. Once employees realize the pay cut, they tend to update their records in the subsequent month. This will lead to a reversal of loss of pay, and the employee needs to be reimbursed accordingly. As an admin, you can always use Import Data from Excel to complete this task in bulk by selecting the LOP Reversal Importer template. Follow the same procedure to upload the LOP reversal data as you did for adding LOP days using the Excel Importer option explained earlier. You can also navigate to the Payroll Input Salary tab to update the LOP reversal for an individual employee. Select the employee and search for the LOP reversal component from here. Click on Edit. To update the details, click on the Add button. Select the LOP payroll month, effective payroll and LOP days, and enter the remarks. The modified date will capture in the system automatically. Remember to save the changes. The changes will reflect in the system once you process the payroll. With that, we come to an end. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos.